Buying your first backpacking setup can be cost prohibitive and overwhelming, but it does not have to be. This is because backpacking is one of those outdoor activities where you have to buy a lot of specialized stuffs, and without experience, it can be pretty tough to know where to start in order to build a backpacking kit. That is why we're here to help with a video of top 10 beginners backpacking gears guide, which will ease your stress and let you enjoy your first backpacking trip with your buddies. So let's jump into the video.
Outdoor Zone is a place created by a group of outdoor enthusiasts who are always out on the field testing new and innovative camping, backpacking, hunting, survival, and tactical gear to make buying guides based on their performance, price, and durability so that you can have the best experience.
Tailor-made for any kind of outdoor recreation, the Sawyer Mini offers you a number of ways to access clean water so that you can stay healthy and completely fit for all types of activity. With a total field weight of only 2 ounces, the compact Mini rolls up into its included collapsible Miller pouch to take up minimal space in your pack and will not weigh you down. Moreover, it is approved by Environmental Protection Agency or EPA and is equipped with a high number of tiny U-shaped hollow fiber microtubules which trap the contaminants while allowing decontaminated water to freely pass through at a high flow rate. To add to that, it is certified for 0.1 micron filtration, meaning there is no pore size larger than 0.1 micron in size, ensuring that no harmful bacteria or cyst can pass through the filter. In addition to the added versatility of being able to be used on any standard 28mm threaded bottle or pouch, it is rated to filter up to a colossal, which is 100,000 gallons, making it ideal for long-term use. Lightweight, easy to use, and highly versatile, the Sawyer Mini water filter does not cost too much and will last for many years to come. Overall, it is a great investment, and the cost of this lovely product is about $22. Accidents can happen anywhere and anytime. That is why MyFAK, or in other words, my first aid kit, is an absolutely essential gear for any backpacking trip due to the high risk of injuries such trip usually poses. American National Standards Institute or ANSI approved, this life-saving gear comes in 2 different versions, basic and advanced. Both of these bags contain similar items, but the advanced one is equipped with a burn dressing, tourniquet, quick clot, and much more, offering greater options. Made out of 600 denier nylon pack cloth, the MyFAK comes in a water-resistant backpack in order to keep kits dry and protected in emergencies. These kits have rip-away, hook and loop panels that offer easy access and feature fold-out detachable mesh pockets for convenient storing. It also has 2 button mold straps on the back of the MyFAK bag, making them perfect for attaching this kit to another bag. It also comes with a high-quality and heavy-duty handle, providing a convenient carry option. Due to its versatility, the MyFAK First Aid Kit can be carried literally anywhere, even to your next backpacking trip, and the price of this product is about $120 only. Supportive and lightweight, Salomon X Ultra Wide Mid GTX hiking boot is tailor-made for burly backpacking trips, offering exceptional comfort and durability. Placed between the outsole and midsole, the Mid-3 GTX Lightweight Advanced chassis will help optimize motion control, energy management, and protection for an efficient, stable, yet responsive ride. Plus, the SensiFit cradles the food from the midsole to the lacing system, providing a secure, snug, and virtually customized fit all around the foot. The shock attenuation is provided by Energy Cell, which is a high-performance EVA foam. The combination of Gore-Tex and mesh keeps your feet dry from the outside as well as from the inside, while the tongue has been connected to the upper on both sides, preventing debris from entering the shoe and keeping the tongue centered. In addition, Ortholite has been molded to match the contours of your foot, providing superior cushioning as well as breathability and durability to upgrade the comfort and performance of this footwear. If you're a backpacker who wants to shed some weight off of your feet without sacrificing the support that you have been accustomed to in traditional boots, this is the right boot for you. And the price of this product is about $165. The next generation Pocket Rocket 2 stove from MSR takes everything impressive about the iconic original and puts it into an even smaller and lighter high-performance design that will let you cook your favorite meal at any outdoor trip. Barely noticeable in your pack, it's fast at camp, boiling 1 liter of water in 3.5 minutes. Precision flame control goes from torch to simmer, while its wind clip windshield boosts efficiency in breezy conditions. Weighing just about 2.6 ounces, its new folding pot supports create an exceptional tiny pack size, and they now accommodate a wider range of vessels. In addition, its focus burner creates a persistent, solid flame while being compatible with most self-sealing canister fuel. Besides, you'll also get an ultralight hard shell carry case in order to protect your cookware and contents of your pack. This stove is an excellent pick for all beginner backpackers because it has low weight, small size, simmering ability, good boiling time, and fantastic price. And the brilliant product comes with a price tag of $45. Forged with high-quality materials and super grinding features, the Morakniv Garberg S is powerful enough to handle any kind of backpacking tasks. It features a heavy-duty 3.3 inches long and 0.13 inch thick 14C28N Sandvik steel blade that offers razor sharpness with high hardness. This anti-grind grinding makes the knife easier to keep sharp, and the spine of the blade has been ground so it can be used with a fire starter. Plus, the polyamide handle with impact resistance makes the handle tougher so that you can rely on it even in the most difficult situation. In addition, it comes with a multi-mount sheath option, which is a versatile mounting solution, so you can mount the knife almost wherever you want and you can attach and detach it in seconds. Designed to perform the toughest task it encounters, the Morakniv Garberg S is extremely reliable and is a must-have item in your beginner backpacking gears. And the price of this product ranges from $109 to $127. Comprising of inviolable features and increased versatility, the Casio Men's SGW1001 ACR is ideal for any kind of outdoor trip because it has a direction sensor that will never let you get lost and hold its own against all kind of extreme condition. Equipped with triple sensor along with temperature and direction ratings, this watch also comes with LED backlight with afterglow and supports 31 time zones, including 48 cities plus coordinated universal time. To add to that, this watch is water resistant up to 100 meters, making it perfect for sports, work, or any outdoor activity that involves water. In addition to stopwatch, alarm, and other basic timekeeping functions, this model also includes a direction sensor and temperature sensor. Moreover, direction ratings and time are indicated by large, easy-to-read figures, while the large LCD is divided into 3 segments for a clear, easy-to-understand presentation of data. Tough and rugged, this watch is perfect for your next backpacking trip. And the price of this watch is about $130. Compact enough for backup or emergency use and powerful enough for any backpacking trip. The Black Diamond Astro headlamp is simple, sleek, and affordable. With updated optical efficiency, its one triple power LED offers 150 lumens of light at maximum setting. Plus, it also has a maximum beam distance of 40 meters and consists of 2 separate beam types in flood and spot. The brightness memory is also quite helpful as it allows you to turn the light on and off at a chosen brightness without reverting back to full power. Boasting of an IPX4 rating, this headlamp is water resistant and offers a stormproof construction that can withstand rain and sleet from any angle. Weighing about 3 ounces, it is compact and the combination of 3 AAA batteries, it will ensure longer battery life, which is enough to light the way down unexpected rappels and dark trails. If your needs are limited to close proximity work, or if you're looking for a reasonably priced headlamp for a backpacking trip, then the Black Diamond Astro headlamp is an excellent budget choice, and this wonderful headlamp will cost you about $20. Super comfortable and reasonably light, the Osprey Atmos AG65 backpack will allow you to take every one of your important gears in this super spacious compartment while not weighing you down. Made from 100D by 630D nylon and offering a capacity of 65 liters, this backpack is suitable for both multi-day and week-long adventures. Moreover, its anti-gravity suspension is also well ventilated and cushioned. If needed, you can also minimize weight by removing the flap jacket top lid. Besides, its internal sleeve accommodate up to 3-liter hydration reservoirs. Multiple adjustments run vertically and horizontally to place the padded shoulder straps and suspended mesh back panel right where you want them, while the padded fit on the fly waist belt lets you buckle, change, and go without hassling with a bunch of micro adjustments. The dual upper and lower side compression straps also helps by stabilizing loads and maintaining a streamlined profile. The Osprey Atmos AG65 is an exceptionally comfortable and well-ventilated pack, boasting tons of wonderful features that will definitely aid both beginner and seasoned backpackers alike. And the price of this product is about $270. Achieving perfect sleep on an outdoor trip can be difficult. That's why you need Marmot Trestles 30 Sleeping Bag, a reliable all-purpose synthetic bag that insulates even in cool, damp conditions. Thanks to Spirophil high loft insulation and a unique blend of large, spiral hollow fibers along with small polyester fibers, as this bag offers exceptional warmth, softness, and compressibility of natural down while increasing moisture resistance. It also features a dual zipper design, a full-size anti-snag main zipper, plus a second fold-down zipper for added ventilation and easy access. Besides, its anatomically shaped foot box minimizes heat buildup and gives you plenty of room to wiggle your toes, flex your feet, and find a comfy sleeping position. Moreover, the top portion is built for maximum loft and warmth, while the bottom portion retains a blanket-like feel for all-night comfort, and the 3D hood can be adjusted to optimize heat retention. Rounding out these excellent bags, an interior stash pocket, Philly draw cores, dual hang loops, and included stuff sack that compresses for convenient packability. Offering great insulation and venting options, the Marmot Trestles 30 is a good option for any beginner backpacking trip, and the price of this product is about $100. Fairly priced and quite comfortable. The Kelty Salida 2 tent is so light that you'll almost forget that it is in your pack, allowing you to go in your backpacking trip without any extra weight. Made from 68 denier polyester and 40 denier mesh, the Salida 2 is a semi-freestanding tent, making it extremely easy to pitch. It includes 2 collapsible aluminum tent poles connected using a shock cord, which you can expand and connect crosswise to hooks on the inner tent body. With a capacity for 2 people, its inner tent is also spacious with ample room for people and their sleeping bags. These side inner walls are quite steep, which adds to the feeling of spaciousness, while the inner tent floor is also long enough to lie in a 6-foot sleeping bag without touching the end walls. In addition, there are plenty of internal gear loops to hang lighting inside the inner tent, and it comes equipped with a gear loft. Plus, you'll also get a roll-top cube carry bag with this tent. An excellent bargain for a short backpacking trip in good weather, the Kelty Salida 2 tent blends features and price into one irresistible package, and the price of this product is about $150. So that was all about the top 10 beginners backpacking gears guide for you. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.